Hello and welcome to this SPSS one-on-one series with the Word Analytics. Today you're going to learn how to import data from Excel or Stata into SPSS for your analysis. It is super easy. Let's jump onto the computer and see how it is done. Here is the Excel data that I want to import it to SPSS. At this stage, what is important for you to know is how many worksheets do you have in your Excel file. Here we have two worksheets, one called sample dataset, and we also have data on a worksheet called sample. For this demonstration, we are going to import data on worksheet 1 called sample dataset. To import data into SPSS, simply click on File, Import Data, and then select File. For earlier versions of SPSS, you may not have this option, so simply go to Open, Open Data, then under File Types, select Excel, and then locate where your Excel file is found. Mine, I've saved it on desktop, and it is called sample dataset. Click on it and then open. Before it opens, it is going to ask you which worksheet contains your data. In this case, my two worksheets are displayed here. We are interested in data located on worksheet 1 called sample dataset, so I'm going to click on that. And another important thing here that you do not want to miss out is read variable names from the first row of the data. This is very important, so make sure it is checked. So you will get a preview of how your data looks like before you even import it, and then click OK. Then you'll have imported your data from Excel successfully. If we wanted to import Stata, we would have followed the same steps. To import a Stata file, simply click on File, Import Data, and then you can select a Stata file, whether you have a CSV file or any other among those listed there. Or for those who do not have this option, still you could go to Open, then select Open Data, and then you choose the type of file you want. Stata is there, and then you click OK. A bonus tip: if you have data in SPSS, how do you now work backwards to have an Excel file or a Stata file? We could simply go to File, click Export, and then export to Excel. Then I will locate where I want the data to be saved, and then give it a name, sample 2, and then save. Lastly, don't forget to now save your new SPSS file by going to File, Save, and then you locate where you want it to be saved. I want to still save it on desktop, and I'm going to call this sample SPSS version. Click Save, and that is it. You can also look at the output window, which keeps track record of everything you've been doing. When I go to my taskbar and I put my cursor on SPSS icon, you can see that I have a window called Output 1. If I click on it, you can see everything that we've been doing. We imported data from Excel into SPSS. Here you can see everything we did. Then we also exported data called sample 2 into an Excel format. And then we have saved our SPSS file in this location called sample SPSS version 2. So successfully you've imported your Excel or Stata data into SPSS, and you're ready for your analysis. In the next episode, we'll look at the different ways we can transform our variables: recording, computing variables, and generating variables from existing variables. Consider liking and subscribing to our channel so that you do not miss out any of the episodes we produce. See you in the next video.